Encountering and managing certain high-risk respiratory cases may not happen very often, if at all, making it challenging to build and maintain clinical competence. High-risk events like those caused by the COVID-19 pandemic can create a sudden need for increased respiratory care training. But how can organizations quickly deliver effective training to healthcare providers so they can safely and confidently care for patients on a ventilator? High-quality simulation training. Our Respiratory Care Solution is the only training program that offers everything you need to get learners up to speed quickly, from basic to advanced ventilation management and respiratory care. The training can be tailored to different levels of expertise. Respiratory care simulation training is an ideal solution for healthcare students or novice healthcare professionals, reassigned or returning healthcare professionals, trainees in respiratory therapy, anesthesiology programs, or ICUs. This systematic step-by-step solution ensures competence and consistency for your learners and enables you to track progress along the way. Start with an interactive e-learning to prepare and learn the basics of mechanical ventilation. Build competence using virtual training solutions like TrueVent. Finally, move to advanced simulation team training with hands-on simulation using the ASL 5000 lung solution to master advanced ventilation skills. As participants progress through the stages of learning, different tools can be used to help identify and prioritize teaching resources, allowing you to focus on specific areas for respiratory care training. This combined approach is a comprehensive solution that will provide learners with both competence and confidence and prepare them to deliver better patient care.